All right, so I had another question from someone that came to America from Europe and wanted to know, why can they eat pasta and pizza in their country but not in the US? Okay, why is that? Because when they eat these grains, it just makes them feel really bloated, and it's really heavy in the digestive system. Yet when they go back home, it doesn't create that effect. Okay, the first thing is you shouldn't be consuming bread, pasta, cereal, crackers, biscuits, pizza, okay? Because especially if you're doing keto, it's going to throw you off. But I do want to mention why you're going to have more problems in America, and that is because in the US, Canada, and Britain, they fortify their grains, okay? They enrich them with iron and certain B vitamins. All right, here are the problems with fortification. Let's start with iron. Number one, iron accumulates in your body, okay? It can actually be very toxic to the body when it starts building up, because the problem is your body is only able to eliminate very small amounts of this iron each day. Like I think it's a little more than 1 milligram a day. Yet you can accumulate a lot if you're consuming a lot of grains. And iron tends to be attracted to damaged parts of the tissue. Like, let's say, for example, you have high insulin created from all the pasta, right? And it creates damage in the artery wall, or your brain, or your nervous system, or the kidney, or other places, like the pancreas. Well, the iron's going to be attracted to those areas. So iron is very oxidative, so it can create like a rusting effect on your tissues. And I'm going to do a separate video just on iron, but iron can also disrupt your friendly bacteria in your colon, so when you consume this product, you're going to feel very, very heavy in the gut. Now, as far as the B vitamins, like especially B2 and B12, usually they're genetically modified. In fact, the product Cheerios and grape nuts just went non-GMO, and if you notice that they no longer fortify these grains, because it's almost impossible to know for sure if it's GMO free. Because even if they're making B vitamins from yeast, they're feeding the yeast glucose, which is from corn, which is GMO. And GMO foods are laced with glyphosate and herbicide. So that alone will create a lot of problems in your GI tract. Okay, so in a nutshell, that's why you're going to bloat when you consume pasta or pizza or other grains in America, all right? But I'm not recommending consuming grains or anything that's fortified. All right, thanks for watching.